Today on CityHaulN, 4 iconic places you can visit in New York City for free. Starting at number 4, Brooklyn Bridge. Walking across this historic bridge gives you some of the best skyline views in New York City. The best photos are usually taken from the middle of the bridge where the skyline opens up behind you. Coming in at number 3, Times Square. Right in the heart of Manhattan, Times Square is known for its massive digital billboards and non-stop crowds moving through the crossroads of the city. As you walk through, you'll also spot street performers entertaining visitors and adding to the energy of the area. Times Square is one of the most visited places in the world. Even if you don't spend any money, there's always something happening.
Show response, so cool. It's driving me nuts, man.
Take photos on the famous red steps and enjoy one of New York's most iconic places completely free. We caught the dancing weatherman Nick Kassar along with street performer Almighty Archer shooting videos. At number 2, Bryant Park, one of the most popular parks in Midtown Manhattan. Bryant Park offers a relaxing break in the middle of Manhattan. However, during the winter, Bryant Park transforms into a lively winter village where visitors can ice skate, explore holiday market shops, and enjoy the festive atmosphere in the heart of Midtown Manhattan. And finally, number 1, Rockefeller Center. This walkway here is called Channel Gardens. It connects 5th Avenue to the Central Plaza, and depending upon the season, you'll see different decorations and flower displays. As you walk through here, several iconic landmarks appear one after another. Visitors explore the plaza and the iconic Christmas tree during the holidays. Watch ice skaters in the winter and walk nearby 5th Avenue landmarks. We took a look at 4 places you can experience in New York City without spending a dollar. From the views on the Brooklyn Bridge to the energy of Times Square, the atmosphere of Bryant Park, and the iconic plaza at Rockefeller Plaza. That's it for today's list of free places to visit in New York City. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more walks around the city. If you're visiting New York City, these are just a few spots where you can enjoy the sights, the crowds, and the culture completely free. Thanks for walking with me, and I'll see you on the next one.